In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Netflix account. Now there are a couple of ways that you can delete it within the app of Netflix or using the website of Netflix. For this video, we're going to use the app of Netflix. So just open up your app. Now once you open up the app, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. From your profile section, you'll see a couple of options. Head over to the accounts option. From the accounts section, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under settings you'll see delete account. Tap on delete account. Before you can delete your account, you'll need to verify yourself, so just tap on email a code, and a one-time password or a code will be sent to your email address. In the next section or the next screen, you just need to enter in the code that has been sent to your email address. Once you enter in the code, you'll land on this interface where it says deleting your account permanently. Now before you delete your account, make sure you also cancel your membership. Just tap on cancel your membership option, which is this option right here. Once the cancellation is done, it's going to show you the exact date that your account will be deleted. Check this box and then tap on permanently delete. Once you delete your account, you won't be able to recover your Netflix account, and in the future if you want to use it, you'll again need to create a new account. So that was a video on how to delete your Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.